Yo, welcome back to another video for you guys. Alright, JSW here, and yeah, today we're with another Forex video for you guys. Of course, I remember the last video I posted, right? You guys basically like it, right? But honestly, it couldn't really show what we really wanted to show because I did it on a chart, so the information couldn't pass on to you guys as how we wanted to pass because we never have any other resources. But now I will video it on the PC so you guys can have a better understanding of what I am actually talking about. Right? So this video is a video that will give you the right knowledge of what to do in the foreign exchange market, when to buy, when to sell, right? How to analyze your charts. Like, I know most of you guys are confused. Like, you see this chart with these things going up and you don't know what it is or whatever the case may be. But I'll be going through some stuff for you guys. If you guys do not know how to read the candlestick or whatever the case may be, follow me on my Instagram, text me on my Instagram at JAYSWAE_, and I'll make another video explaining, even though I explained my last video. So make sure you watch that last video before you come to this video and try to see if you can understand it, because what I try to do, I'm trying to like make the basic videos for you guys, for those who don't know about Forex, so you guys can start from basics, right? So I'm not just doing this for persons that I reach at a particular level. I'm doing it for all. So if you're an individual that don't know nothing at all about Facebook, just got introduced to Forex, then this is the right channel for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell that you don't miss whenever I post and content, because I'm gonna be uploading not daily content, but content for you guys, so you can build a Forex knowledge and become profitable in the foreign exchange market as well. But first thing first, I want to say, guys, this foreign exchange market is not a plaything, right? It is not a get rich quick scheme. Like most persons started to trade Forex because them lose them job or something, like they want to get rich or they want to buy a car or whatever, right? If you come in the foreign exchange market with these type of mentality, you will not become profitable, because you'll be chasing the money and not the proper knowledge, right? So always seek the knowledge, the proper knowledge, and trust the process. The money will come after. Once you gather the proper knowledge, right, and apply yourself and be consistent and everything, in Forex you have to have patience, right? If you don't have patience, you have to go learn to develop patience. You get me? I tell you point blank. May I be honest with you guys, right? If you want to become profitable, be consistent, be patient, right? And just trust the process. So yeah, you guys just don't come with this mentality that you're gonna make $1 million by a morning, right? That a person see me post charts on WhatsApp or Instagram and text me and say how this Forex thing they want to start because them hear about it and them see me post it, so to teach them about it. But whenever I start to teach somebody something about it and them realize say, yo, this is not something where they can just walk and pick up money, they have to actually put in a lot of hard work and studying and whatever the case may be, them nobody want to do it. That type of mentality is not for this. I mean, Forex can get you rich, right? But we now talk about that because we are chasing knowledge and not the money, right? The money will come after, trust me, the money will come after. So I see a lot of you guys comments. I read the comments them and make sure you comment back to your comments as fast as possible. We might not reply back to everything, but if you guys do have any questions, you can drop your comments down below or follow me on my Instagram. Alright, please guys, let me know if you like these series that I'm making for you guys, so I can continue them. And I might not upload as often that I want to, because some of you guys may know that I'm a soldier, right? And being a soldier is like it kind of difficult, right? Honest truth, it is kind of difficult to make Forex video, trade and do all sorts of stuff, right? But whenever my Forex become my number one main source of income on YouTube, then I'll definitely be uploading more often for you guys. But for now, you just have to upload, work with it. I try to work on some pre-recorded video so we can record the videos, upload them and private them. So only thing they have to do is just release them to you guys whenever the date comes. Right? So we pretty much talk about everything. I will move to the charts on the PC and show you guys what you guys need to do when you're analyzing your charts, and just some basic knowledge, you know, right? And then eventually move on to advanced stuff like really analyzing the charts, and I'll do some videos maybe of analyzing the charts for you guys and so on if you guys like that. And yeah guys, no, please remember these contents I put up, right? These are things that you have to go and buy from people, right? Like in them courses. I don't see nobody put up free videos like these, right? If you say them are go give a free knowledge just like that. Them give us some knowledge, you know, then they say yo, buy them course and everything will be in their courses. And these are the things that I am giving to you guys for free. Like I literally do a lot of courses, Forex courses. Like I pay $300, $200, $100 for courses, and I'm talking about US. So I spend a lot of money on courses, and look, I'm helping you guys, giving you guys free knowledge. Not like I can't do this for money, but giving back to you guys. Like it just, you know, make me feel better, like having people being profitable with me, because I know a lot of persons don't have it to really say them are go really like spend $250 on courses just off the bat, and them don't know nothing about Forex. Like it's really difficult. I'm not saying nobody do it on YouTube, like send on no video on YouTube for free. So I hope you guys do appreciate these kind of contents and just work with me. If I don't upload, it's because I'm busy and videos are coming for you guys. I'm not upload for you guys. You guys just have to be patient and subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell, and like the video, you guys. Please remember, drop a like on the video so the videos can get more views, so a lot of persons can come over to the channel and support the channel as well, and also get help. So without further ado, we'll get into the charts right now. I hope we talk about everything here, so but if not, we talk about the charts. And yeah, if you guys don't understand the video, watch it over, and watch it over again so you guys can understand. And remember, practice, get a notebook, right? Write down your information them, right? And practice. This is how you can become profitable. You get me? You have to take it serious. If you're going to do Forex, you have to take it serious. When I say serious, I mean serious. Eat, breathe, think, everything Forex, right? So I'll see you guys over in the charts. Hope you guys can actually hear me properly and everything. So we'll just be going over the stuff that we went through in the last video, or most of it, and just talk about some stuff, and in other videos then we'll explain more on market structure and how the market moves, and so you guys can start placing your trades and so on. So this video will be looking at 3 market phases, right, and 3 main type of traders. So first thing first, I should have the 3 main type of traders at the top, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So first thing first, we'll be looking at the 3 main type of traders, right? So first off, I am an intraday trader, and I'm going to explain to you guys what these terms mean, and you guys need to figure out what type of trading style you like, or what type of trader you are first off the bat, right? So you guys can actually stick to that type of trading style and be consistent, or try another one if that one doesn't work for you guys, right? Because I actually try trading these 3 main type of trading styles, and I actually like intraday trading, and that is what I stick to, and that is what I make the most money from. So one, you have swing trader, right? A swing trader is a person who holds your trade for weeks or months. Like for instance, you enter a trade today, you know, close the trade till next month or 2 weeks time, or whatever the case may be. Those are for persons that has a lot of patience, right? And those persons normally risk more money, like risk have a bigger lot size, and also has, you know, you trade with more capital and so on and so forth, right? Secondly, you have intraday traders, and as I said before, I am an intraday trader. An intraday trader holds their trade for approximately 24 hours, right? Or a couple hours, like 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, no longer than a day, right? And this trading style is why I like this trading style is like it just fits my style of trading. Like I don't have to wait too long to collect my profit, and I don't have to rush things to actually like hurry and get my profits, right? And I actually made more money from intraday trading. And also intraday trading help me to use to risk less money and also maximize on my profit, right? So I really like intraday trading, and it fits my um, trading style well. Third and final, you have scalpers, right? And a scalper is a person that gets into the trade and gets out immediately with their profit. Like if you are some persons, like if them say they enter a trade and they were in $10 profit, them probably just say, yo, alright, this profit, and take them profit and cut, right? The disadvantage with scalpers though is that these type of traders don't normally use a stop loss, right? And a stop loss is what actually helps you to to lose less, right? Like save you from more loss, and I'll explain that to you guys further in the next video because I don't want this video to be too long, right? But scalpers can scalpers always use bigger lot size, like they always risk more, right? But you have to constantly be around your charts, like sit around your computer and watch the market every step it makes, right? With the intraday trading and swing trader, you can place the trade and go on with your business, right? You just can check on it every now and then. You get me? So I don't really like scalping, but I do scalp sometimes, right? And yeah, those are the three main type of traders. So you guys can get a notebook and write that down. So now we'll be moving to the three main market structure, right? So our three market phases, right? So first off, let me delete this trend line. Three market structure that you have is a uptrend, right? You have a downtrend, you have a consolidation, right? So what a uptrend in an uptrend, you are looking for buy opportunities. So if you see the market is moving up, you're looking for buy opportunities, and if you see the market is moving down, you're looking for sell opportunities, right? And if you see the market consolidating or ranging, then you do not trade. So for this one, you know you must not trade, right? Unless you're a professional trader, you can catch trades in between. But for basic persons, stay away from consolidating market or ranging markets. Wait until the market actually breaks out after consolidation, then look for buy opportunities or you look for sell opportunities. You get me? Just like that. So, alright. So, hold on. In an uptrend, you have, well, in in a trending market, right, you have two phases, right? And when I say trending market, is I mean the market is moving up or the market is moving down. You have two phases in a trending market, right? You have the push phase and you have the pullback phase. For the downtrend, you have the push, the pullback, push, the pullback, push, right? So you guys can also write that down. And our uptrend consists of two main parts. You have the higher high and the higher low, right? And I'm going to explain to you guys why this is called a higher high and higher low. So when the market is pushing up, right, and you're looking for buy opportunities, right, the market will not just do this, push up just like that. Like you only see one thing just push up in the sky just like that and reach the profit, right? The market will make this zigzag movement, right, until it reach the highest point where it wants to reach, right? So market pushes, right, find some form of resistance here, And the reason why the market pushes down, one of the main reason is because buyers decide to say, yeah, alright, my profit right here. So because I mean, you have three different type of traders in this here. So probably scalpers hold it from down here, so to the market reach here. Them say, alright, them good with them profit here, so the market pushes down, right? So the market pushes down now. Buyers are now attracted to um the market at once more, right? And then buy, so it pushes the market up. So they break the previous higher high, right? And once the previous higher high is broken, right, a new high will form, right? So this high right here is higher than this high, so that is the reason why this would name a higher high. And if there was a other higher high would that was would that would should be here, um this is the reason why we have a higher high, because obviously another higher high would be here, right? So this is the phase the market creates, right? A higher high, higher low, and same thing for the higher low. The market pushes down, right, and then pushes up, form the higher high, and then pushes down, form the new higher low. So this low is higher than this low, so that is the reason why it's called a higher low, because this low, right, so high, this low is higher than this low, so it's called a higher low, right? And the market pushes up once more to form a new higher low, right? So if you notice that when the market pushes and pull back and pushes and pull back, it pulls back to the previous higher high, right? The market sometimes or most times do this, right? Pull back to the previous higher low, and then you would look for buy opportunities. So when in an uptrend, you look for buy opportunities at the lows. So when the market push, you don't look for buying opportunities in the push phase, right? When the wait till the market pulls back, right, then you look for buying opportunities here. So these are the areas that you would be looking for buy opportunities, right? And the market pushes up, pulls back to the previous higher low, then look for buy opportunities at once more, pushes up, right? And if you notice, this area actually passed this previous higher low, and I did that on purpose, right? So I want reason why I did that on purpose. I want you guys to know that the market doesn't have to pull back to this area right here, right? For it to consider that the market is still in an uptrend. As long as the market doesn't break the previous higher low, which would be here, of course, then the market is still in an uptrend. So the market, if the market even pushes all the way back down to this low, right? Once it doesn't break here, it is still in an uptrend. You're still looking for buy opportunities until the market breaks the previous higher low. Then you are no longer looking for buy opportunities. You are potentially looking for sell opportunities, right? So it's very, 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 very simple. And the market could also do something like the market could pull back to somewhere here, to even here, right? Hold on. The market will pull back, make a small pullback to here, and then look for a continuation. So the market can make a small pullback, or it can make a big pullback to the previous higher low, right? Or even halfway, and continue and make it continuation. So I just want you guys to know that I'll explain these things on the charts, right? Because in on the charts, you guys might not be able to identify the market creating the higher highs and higher lows. So we'll go on the live chart to show you guys some structure and see if you guys can identify the higher highs and higher lows, right? For the downtrend now, right, in a downtrend you're looking for sell opportunities, of course. Once you can identify that the market is in a downtrend, you're only looking for a sell. Do not anticipate a reversal, meaning do not anticipate that the market will turn back and continue to go and start to go up, right? Once the market is in a downtrend, only look for sell opportunities until the market break the previous lower high. Then you're no longer looking for sell opportunities. So the market pushes, right, form a lower low, right, then pushes up, form a lower high, pushes down, form a lower low, pushes up, form a lower high, right? And same thing that I explained with the lower high and the higher high and the higher low, same thing, same procedure. So it pushes down from a lower low, pushes up from a lower high, pushes down from a lower low. So this low is lower than this low, right? This lower high is at the top, and it pushes down form a lower low, then pushes up, form a lower high. So this lower high is lower than this high. Alright, so I hope you guys get the gist of it. If you guys don't, watch over the video. Alright, or text me on my Twitter, not Twitter, sorry, Instagram, and I'll probably make another video for you guys and explain it further, or explain it on my Instagram. So I hope you guys do understand these that I'm teaching you guys. If you don't, please watch over the video. Alright, so in a downtrend you look for sell opportunities at the top. Alright, so in an uptrend you look for buy opportunities at the bottom. Alright, and in an uptrend you look for sell opportunities at the top. So you look to sell at the top. Alright, so the market pushes down in a push phase, you don't sell in the push phase. Alright, you wait till the market make a pullback, right? Then show some form of rejection, then you look for sell opportunities, go all the way down. Alright, and I'll explain to you guys further about these market structure. So we'll now be moving on to a consolidating market slash ranging market. So as you can see, the market was pushing up from an uptrend. So the market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then the market pushes up to form a new high, then the market pushes down. The market fails to create a higher low, right? So the market pushes back to the previous higher low, right? And then pushes back to the previous higher lower high, higher high, sorry, right? Fail once more to break past this previous high to create a higher high, right? And this is how they actually ranging or consolidating market is created. The market fails to create a higher high or a higher low, right? Or a lower low or a lower high, right? So the market is just bouncing around, right? So you actually wait until the market breaks out either to the upside, retest, and then you look for buy opportunities to go up, or breaks to the downside, retest, and then look for sell opportunities. Alright, so hope you guys really get the gist of market structure. These are the three main type of market structure. So now I'm going to go over to the live charts and see if we can identify some of these structure. Alright, and for the next video we will be looking through some other stuff like stop loss and take profit, etc. Okay, so first off the bat we see an uptrend, right? And I'm going to show you guys the uptrend that we see here. So you have the push phase, right? Then you have the pullback. Let me use this tool, hold on. So you have the push phase, guys, then you have the pullback, then you have the push phase one more, pullback, and you have the push phase again. Alright, so that is clearly an uptrend. Alright, this is clearly an uptrend. As I said before, you notice this is not very clear as how I explain it over to this side. Like you can't really see the market structure that clear. This is how the chart is going to look on the candlesticks. It is not going to be clear like a single line, but what you guys can do to identify, draw the lines on it, and you know, you guys, this is how I actually learn to identify the higher highs and higher lows, because I always have trouble on actually knowing how which the phase the market was in. Right, so I used to use the tool, the trend line, and just draw it out, right, to identify the higher highs and higher lows. Right, so before we move on from the higher highs and higher lows, you have a consolidating market right here as well. A little consolidation. It's not a big consolidation, right? So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to identify it, show you guys. I'm going to identify it, show you guys. Right? So if you notice, as I said before, guys, the market will not do it exactly how you actually see it. Like we draw it on a structure, like do something like this, it will not be this clear, right? But you have to be able to identify it in the market. Once it's there, it will not be this clear, right? But once you can identify it, this is a ranging or consolidating market, because you notice price is not creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Price is just moving around in this little region, right? Maybe I could find better example of consolidating market, but I'll just use this for now, right? This is not the best example, but yeah, this will do for the time being. So we are going to look at a downtrend market. We're just going to use here for a downtrend. So alright, so this would be the push phase all the way down to here, pull back. Hold on, let me use this. So from here, this could be a small pullback right here, guys, but for now I'll just do it like this, pull back and a potential pullback here, right, once more, and a continuation pullback and a continuation down. So as you guys can see, this is not very clear, right? As I said before, this is how the market creates structure, zigzag, zigzag. It will not be clear as how I show you guys over here, but the market always create higher highs and higher lows and lower lows and lower highs, right? So as I said before, you guys could get buying opportunities at these levels, right? Here, right, and selling opportunities at these levels. You get me? Selling opportunities are here. So this is how you know when to buy and when to sell. When the market makes a push phase and it makes a pullback, then you look for sell opportunities at the pullback, right? But this is not everything you guys need to know, really, because I'm trying to do these videos in parts so you guys can definitely know when to buy, when to sell, and actually become profitable, right? Because yeah, this is just market structure, guys, right? And hope you guys can identify these structures for yourself. Just practice, and eventually, trust me, guys, these will come. Like these will be so easy, because these were like some major issues for me when I was like just starting to trade. But recent times, things, it just easy right now. It's just easy for me, like, to identify market structure, identify what the market is doing, look when to buy, look when to sell, right? And I'm going to teach you guys everything for free. So just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Let me know if you guys really like these series, and I'll definitely continue to make these videos for you guys. But before I leave, I'm going to show you guys one thing. So remember earlier I was showing you that the market is in an uptrend and the market pulls back to from the higher low. So I have the push phase, the pullback, alright, push phase, pullback, and as I said before, the market might not pull back to the previous. The market might not pull back to the previous higher high, right, which would be right here, right? And the market did not pull back to this previous higher high right here, right? So as you can see, this would be the previous higher high. So market pushes up, pushes down, pushes up, pushes down, start to consolidate. So this here would be the previous higher low, right? So in around this region, once the market break in around this region, then we are no longer looking for buy opportunities. So we'll do like this. So if you notice the market consolidate, then eventually breaks, right? Try to retest, fail, it didn't come back. So we'll get a selling opportunities right in around this region, right here. So we look for short opportunities to sell all the way down, right? So very simple. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these series and how I actually take my trades, and if you guys want me to do live trades for you guys and do analysis or whatever the case may be, you guys just request it in the comment section, and I'll definitely make the videos for you guys. So without further ado, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Peace.